Moving in at 4, with the healthcare crisis, thousands of Rhode Islanders have officially lost their Medicare Advantage plan coverage at Brown University Health hospitals in Rhode Island after failed negotiations between the hospital network and UnitedHealth. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Kalunian.
And I'm Kayla Fish. It's already having an impact for one man who was scheduled to have spinal surgery in a matter of days, which would give him the ability to walk, but that appointment was canceled. 12 News consumer reporter Sarah Gurnelli joins us live now with more. Sarah?
Kayla, Kim, Stephen Palumbo and his wife were actually heading to a pre-op appointment just last week when they got the call from the hospital saying his surgery was canceled because he no longer will have health insurance. The thing is, Stephen needs a spinal surgery because if he doesn't, he says he'll likely be wheelchair bound. Stephen Palumbo and his wife Patricia are an example of what happens when an insurance company and a hospital network fail negotiations for a new contract.
When we got the telephone call that the surgery was canceled and he could no longer have it, we were both devastated.
As of Tuesday, Brown University Health hospitals in Rhode Island no longer accept Medicare Advantage plans through UnitedHealth. The two companies have been in a contract dispute for months but failed to make an agreement. It's ultimately left Stephen without insurance to cover a spinal surgery he desperately needs with a specialist.
Well, the doctor had told me that eventually I would be wheelchair bound, so I would never be able to walk again.
His wife Patricia has been right by his side advocating for his health care benefits. She says she was able to get Stephen approval for continuity of care through UnitedHealth, but it was denied as of Tuesday. We were there when the call came in. A Brown University health official told her it was because his insurance coverage has changed. It no longer gives him access to continuity of care.
It's killing me slowly every day to watch him suffer and thinking that there was going to be an end in sight to some relief. And now there's not.
And the couple was told to file an appeal with UnitedHealth for a new decision. In the meantime, we reached out to both Brown University Health and UnitedHealth for a comment on their specific situation. Brown did just confirm that conversation we showed you in this story. We haven't heard back from UnitedHealth.
And Sarah, do you know the number of people who are affected by all this?
So here's the thing, I've been trying to track this down for about a month. I do know about 19,000 letters went out to people who could potentially be affected by this. I've reached out to United multiple times asking how many Rhode Islanders will be affected losing their Medicare Advantage plan at Brown Health University hospitals, but they have refused to answer me.
All right, Sarah Gurnelli reporting live for us in Providence. Sarah, thank you.